Hi, I know some of you are struggling with how to get your information for your prediction packet. When you are looking at wonderground.com, that's WUNDERGROUND.com. So it's like underground with a W in front of it. Here's what comes up. Mine comes up for Columbus, Indiana. If I wanted to find the history of Columbus, Indiana, I'm going to show you how to do that. Right here, you'll notice that it says search locations. So you can put your city and state or its zip code, and it will pop it up for what you need for the trip. So when you are looking here at Columbus, Indiana, I'm going to go to full forecast. And then this is what's going to pop up for you with whatever location that you are searching for. So you want to go over here to where it says history. And we are looking for our history in July. And then whatever date you're going for. So we'll say the 7th. You can click on monthly sometimes. It's a little tricky sometimes. So if you want to look at I think it starts at 2009, your paper does. So you can view that, click view, and then when you're here, down here, it's going to tell you what the high temperature was for the day. And then some other data, but you're looking for 68 for the high temperature on July 7th, 2009. And then you would look at July 7th, 2010. The high temperature, oops, make sure you hit view. The high temperature for that day was 81. So you'd write that down in the 2010 column. And then you click back to 2011, click on view, and then again you can scroll down. High temperature that day was 78. So you're going to go through from 2009 all the way to 2019, and you are going to record the highest temperature of that day. That's the data that you will use to make your scatter plot on your prediction packet. If you need more help, let me know.